Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Vic's affiliate business system, and I'm going to do a full review on it, and I'm going to throw in some bonuses if you decide that this is something that you want to get, okay? Now, affiliate business system is basically Vic's brand new project where he's basically going to give you his $300,000 per month platform, all right? So if you've seen this webinar right here, this is basically a video of him going over exactly what it is. He's going to show you how you can basically replicate his business. It's like a business in a box. You click a button, you brand it for yourself. I'm going to show you in a second how this looks like, all right? And then instead of having you go through like an affiliate marketing training program, and there are a lot of these affiliate marketing training programs out there where it's like step by step and you have to learn how to put 1,000 different pieces together. And the reality is that a lot of people fail with doing that because it's actually quite complicated, okay? To learn to put all the pages together, the technology, the tools and all that stuff, it gets confusing for a lot of people. People get stuck with the technology. So Vic was like, well, how can I make it easier for the average person on the street to start making $10,000 and more every single month without having to deal with all the technology stuff, right? So he figured out how to do it. It's called the affiliate business system, and I'm going to show you my my affiliate business system in a box, right? What you can have as well, and then I'm going to throw in $5,985 worth of bonuses if this is something that you want to do and you're serious about it, okay? So let me show you what it could potentially look like. So this right here is my, let me show you right here, okay? So this is my hub right here. My business in a box, right? So you can see it's under my domain, it's my logo, it's me right there. You can change any of this stuff, by the way, all right? And it makes it really, really easy. So there's an introduction of me right here, and there's all sorts of different ways for people to kind of navigate, right? There's also a live training page here, and you can see whenever Vic holds like a live training, you can jump onto that training, and he does all the selling and telling. But when people buy from this page, you make the commission, not Vic. It's very, very cool. So he does a lot of the work for you, right? So if you're a beginner, if you don't know how to sell, you're just not very good on camera, you can leverage Vic's strategies, or his expertise, which is really cool, okay? Not only that, you can leverage his courses, right? So what do you sell online? Well, you can license his courses, and he's got a ton of different courses here, okay? All of these, by the way, have a sales funnel. So if somebody lands on one of these pages and they click into the training, it goes into the training or into the sales funnel, all right? Now, you probably recognize some of these people right here. This Forbes Riley, right? These are some very, very famous people, okay? All licensed, and when somebody buys the 5 laws or creating legacy, you make a commission, not Vic. You make a commission, all right? So it's very, very cool. So, e-com secrets, Facebook domination, Facebook pay-per-click secrets. This is all stuff that internet marketers need, right? Now, not only that, you can leverage the tools as well, okay? You can still see that this is my hub, right? It's on my domain, it's my logo right there. So you can brand all this to yourself, right? It's a business in a box, right? So when somebody buys the affiliate business system, you can make a commission. This goes into the sales funnel of ABS, wealth autopilot system, same thing. These are all funnels. All right, so it's a really, really cool way, and then we list this out in different categories: traffic generation, list building. You get the idea, right? So you can make affiliate commissions from all of these products. That's how affiliate marketing works. It's super cool, right? And you can brand it to yourself, right? So there's a video of me if you're comfortable enough to do that, but you don't have to do that, right? But I've made this mine, and it's a very, very powerful platform. It's a business in a box. You don't have to really put all the 100 pieces together. It's just done and there for you, right? Which is really, really cool. Nobody else is doing this online. It's just making it easier for the average person on the street to get some really, really great results, okay? Now, if you decide that this is something that you want to do, maybe you've seen it, maybe you've been doing some research on it, right? I want to make this even better for you, all right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to jump onto my screen right here, okay? I'm going to throw in $5,985 worth of bonuses if you decide that this is something that you want to do, okay? So I want to make sure that you can get the right support. Now, these aren't random bonuses, by the way, all right? This is something that I've tailor-made just for you so that you can get real results with this particular business if you want, all right? So the first thing is you need support, okay? Now, of course, Vic has his own support and all that stuff, but there are like literally tens of thousands of people in there, and you're going to get lost. So I want to make sure you can get part of my community. So my private Facebook community, value $1,997. We've got hundreds of people in there. And I'm in there every single day answering questions, giving you the support you need if you have questions, okay? So supporting you on your journey, even though ABS is like a business in a box and it's much simpler than any other, kind of affiliate marketing business where you have to put it together piece by piece. It's much more simple than that, right? Also, we do live training. So twice a month, we go live, kind of like this, right? You're gonna join, all the people there, and you can ask me any questions about your business, and I will help you with that, during those live group trainings. Value $1,997. I am actually putting in my time. All right, I'm gonna hang out with you, go through your business. I'll review anything that you want, answer any questions that you have. So you're gonna have the support to make sure that you succeed with this business. The third thing is my 6-figure ABS roadmap. I'm gonna show you how I'm marketing affiliate business system. That's really important, right? So Vic's gonna show you one way. I'm gonna show you how to combine it with my strategies so that you really take this to the next level, okay? Value $497. You get that as part of this deal. I'm also going to show you my simple selling formula, right? This is what has made me millions of dollars online. Value $497. So these two, 6-figure ABS roadmap and my simple selling formula, these are trainings that I created just for this specific bonus, okay? And you get that for free. And also lastly, I'm just gonna throw in my YouTube organic leads program. So it's called Video Authority Mastery. I sell this outside for $997 every single day, okay? You get this for free if you decide to join ABS, all right? So you don't have to worry about how to get leads to your actual business, because all businesses, even though ABS is an amazing business, you still need to get leads to the business. Does that make sense? So total value, $5,985. Real world bonuses right here, all right? You're gonna get it for absolutely free if you decide to join ABS through my link. 100% up to you, of course, right? So if you're already interested in it, but you've been like, sitting on the fence, I'm gonna throw in these bonuses here, just under $6,000 worth of bonuses if you decide to join using my link and joining my community, okay? Now let me run through Video Authority Mastery so that you know how powerful this bonus is, right? So this is my signature YouTube traffic course. It's how I rank on YouTube, it's how I get traffic, and I'm gonna show you how to get open the floodgates of laser targeted traffic to your website, your funnel, your offer, to ABS, Affiliate Business System, even if you don't want to show your face. So right now I'm showing my face, but I teach you how to do it in many, many different styles, okay? So PowerPoint presentation, screen recording, AI, cartoon style, whiteboard style. You don't have to actually show your face if you don't want to, but if you want to show your face, you can as well, okay? How to rank any video and get it to work for you 24/7, 365 like a dedicated employee. You see this video that you're watching right now, right? This is actually Video Authority Mastery Strategies in action, okay? This video is gonna sit on YouTube forever, for as long as YouTube is around, and it's ranking for the keyword phrase Affiliate Business System Review, right? So you probably were doing some research on Affiliate Business System, right? And you saw this video, okay? So this is this strategy in action. How about that? I'm actually doing the strategy and showing you that, this is what you're gonna learn as well. It's very powerful, okay? So I use this method to generate over 100,000 free leads on YouTube, and you can do the same thing too, because leads are the lifeblood of your business, okay? So ABS is great. Vic's created a really good system. There's multiple funnels, multiple streams of income. It's all done for you. You just have to brand it, put your face on it, or create whatever brand you want, but you still need leads for people to find it, okay? And you're gonna be able to do that with Video Authority Mastery, okay? I sell this externally, like I mentioned, for $997, right? Through a webinar. You get this for absolutely free, okay? So this is a huge deal, because I'm just throwing in a full program that I sell for almost $1,000, right? So this is a screenshot from my GetResponse account, my email management software. 116,628 free leads. Do you think that you can make some money if you generated this many leads yourself? I think you can, okay? And I'm gonna show you how to do that with Video Authority Mastery, all right? This is my student Dan. In the early days, Dan has done hundreds of thousands of leads, but when he first learned this strategy through me, he generated 8,050 leads through the YouTube Leads program that you're gonna get for free. So this doesn't only work for me, it works for other people as well, okay? So if you're interested, here's what you're gonna do, all right? Get into Affiliate Business System using my link right below, okay? So I'm gonna leave my special link below. You can click on it, watch the presentation by Vic, get into the program, and when you purchase, you will make sure you email your receipt to me, and then you will get these $5,985 worth of bonuses, okay? So please write this down. Email your ABS receipt that you're gonna get from Vic, from 4%, that's his parent company, to support@theinvinciblemarketer.com. Write that down, okay? Support@theinvinciblemarketer.com. If you decide that ABS is something that you wanna do, because I think it's a great business model. It's affiliate marketing, and it's kind of a pre-built platform. It's basically Vic's business in a box. He's just going to give it to you, right? And you brand it yourself, you license all his products, and you get to basically sell and make commissions without having to put all the 1,000 pieces together. So it's just going to be so much easier for you to launch, okay? Their guarantee is you can launch in 7 days. Basically, you're going to be able to, launch a, $10,000 per month business, right? And obviously, that's the goal. But if you work at it, you can get much more than that, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50,000, okay? But his goal is to get you to at least 10. That's the minimum that the program's going to get you to, right? And it's going to allow you to launch a ready business like that in 7 days. That's pretty nuts, okay? So if that's something that you want to do, click the link below first, okay? Watch the presentation by Vic, get into ABS, keep the receipt, screenshot it or whatever, and then forward it to support@theinvinciblemarketer.com. And then what I'm going to do is my team is going to first of all give you access to our private Facebook community, and in there you're going to get the 2 other bonuses, the 6-figure ABS roadmap, my simple selling formula, right? And then you're going to get another login for Video Authority Mastery, because Video Authority Mastery is a completely separate program, okay? So you're gonna get 2 emails basically, all right? And then twice a month, you're gonna get an update, and I will invite you to our live training calls with me, so that we can hang out like this. And if you need to ask me any questions, you want me to review anything, go through your ABS system, ask me a strategy, whatever it is, then we can do that on those live calls, okay? So if you're interested in ABS, maybe you were taking a look at it already, maybe you haven't looked at it and you stumbled across this video. If you want to join my team, if you would like me to help you to get even better results, right, with the affiliate business system, I'm going to throw in just under $6,000 worth of bonuses, and you can get that by clicking the link right below this video, watching the presentation by Vic, and then joining ABS through my link. And I hope to see you inside my private Facebook community. Speak to you soon. Take care.